Hi lovely people, I'm in Amalfi Coast and I'm gonna make the perfect limoncello liquor. First, I need a lemon. Here, lemons everywhere. So 1, 2, 3, medium size, organic, that is the perfect for me. So, off we go. Got my friend Valentino. Let's cut him some more just in case. Valentino is the king of limoncello. Now let's go make it. Valentino is here to assist in me. It's fantastic. First of all, you have to make sure that you clean it. You see, I got damp cloth properly. For start, you need pure alcohol. You can buy Milan, pure alcohol. This one is 95% of pure alcohol. You peel the lemons. So right like this, Valentino, yes?
Okay, perfetto.
Perfetto, it said it's perfetto. You gather everything, okay? You put them inside a jar, and you keep this one in a jar for 3 days. Here, I got one which was made 3 days ago. Fantastic. You need a jar with a top. It is very important. I'll show you why. You need 250 grams of sugar, and then use 750 milliliters of water. Fresh water, nice one. Put them inside, and this is where it comes the best. Yes. Here, Valentino. I love Valentino's here. You close it, you lock it, you hold it, and you shake it. You want all the sugar dissolved in water. It's like you make a cocktail. Then after you shake it, you remove it again. Then you get the pure alcohol with the lemon peels inside. Oh my, oh my. The smell is incredible. And then you put them inside. Here, Valentino, get a spoon and stir it. Okay, once you've done this, it's done. So get a bottle, there you got a funnel, and that's maslin on top. Look, you can see it's nice to get through. It was a butterfly. Did you see that butterfly? Place the maslin on top, and let's pour them in. Close it, put the label on nicely. Now the limoncello is ready, let us celebrate it. So we're gonna celebrate this limoncello. Valentino's got 2 glasses, one for me, one for him. Salute!